Hello and welcome back. When you return to the payout section, you'll notice this area on the page. In this section, there's a link labeled Learn More. Once you open it, you'll find detailed information provided by Gumroad. It's important to go through everything carefully, especially the parts that explain how payments work based on your location and when you can expect to receive them. At the time this video was recorded, Gumroad processes payouts every Friday. These payments include all sales made up until the previous Friday. The payout will follow the currency you selected and is usually sent through direct deposit if you have that option set up. If direct deposit isn't your preferred method, you also have the option to receive payouts through PayPal instead. Keep in mind that Gumroad deducts its fees at the moment a sale happens. Another important point to remember is if you're collaborating with a partner. Gumroad does not automatically divide payments between partners at checkout, so you'll need to manage that distribution separately on your own. The payout page also contains additional details and explanations. There's quite a lot of information there, so it's best to review everything carefully before you begin selling on the Gumroad platform. That's all for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.